Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another collab video. Can't get away from them. There's just so many. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial slash review slash swatch video of the new Shayla Colourpop Collection. This bad boy right here. Black background probably wasn't the best idea for this video. I don't know how well you can see this box, but all of the press for this is so bomb. Like, I don't know if you guys have seen the photos. Oh, they're on the floor, hold on. I was like pretty inspired by that. I wanted to recreate it completely, but I didn't. I went a little out of the box. Out of the box. God, that's pretty. Love it. And then this one, where she's dipped in chocolate sauce. I just think like she's slaying, obviously, but like how uncomfortable would that have been? All right, guys, so this is the Perception collection. It all revolves around this eyeshadow palette. Just look at those colors. They're stunning. I obviously created this look using it, and I am going to be giving you guys swatches and my overall opinion at the end of the video. Swatches of products that I didn't get to use because, you know, yeah. All right, guys, as always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I'm uploading. If you want to see what I think of this collection and how I created what I'm calling my glam trash look, no shade, Shayla. Glam trash is a compliment for me. Yeah. So if you want to see how I created this glam trash look, it's very like derelict. I feel like Zoolander right now. Anyway, if you want to see how I created it, keep watching. I'm so excited to use this. The packaging is like, it's so bomb. Like, it's very edgy, but it's Shayla, you know what I mean? Like, she's like kind of edgy, but also like really girly, especially like she's obsessed with purple. But I just love like the rose gold and the black and it's just sick, sick. So this is the Perception palette. It's got a nice mirror as well, nice big mirror. So we have, oh Jesus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 11, 12 shimmer or foil shades. And then we have 4 matte shades. So I love the colors that she included. I think they look super killer. All right, so I'm gonna start off with Culture in my crease, obviously, and I'm gonna start building it up. And I'm using, what is this, Morphe M433 brush. It's basically a MAC 217. I really need to get my nails done. They've grown out like crazy. This is a beautiful formula. It's blending out so easily. I just primed my lids with a little bit of concealer and this new Hourglass powder, Veil Translucent Setting Powder. I used it underneath my, I can't speak. I used it underneath my eyes and it's a little bit creepy. So I don't know, but I also used a different concealer. I used the Colourpop concealer. So I'm kind of like, I don't know. I'm trying different things, which is, you know, can be dangerous, especially when it's your under eye. So I'll keep you guys posted on that. It's a really beautiful powder, but I don't know. I feel like I haven't been able to make it work for myself yet. Oh, so I took a poll on YouTube and I shouldn't have even done it. I don't know why I did. I basically asked you guys if you wanted to see this collection or a Pat McGrath look. And people were like, both. But Pat McGrath actually won the survey, but I'm filming with Shayla's collection, so I just wanted to let you know I'm going to be recreating one of the looks that I've done for Pat, so just wait. I think you guys wanted to see the Bronze Ambition palette, so that will be coming. And I've also been bringing the wash of color like all the way up to my brow bone lately. I don't know why. I think it's because I've been growing out my brows, and it feels very like supermodel, like editorial. You know what I mean? Like Taylor Hill or something. I wish. I wish. All right, let's build up this orange, man, because I'm digging it. So now I'm gonna go in with Thick with a C, and just kind of like deepen that up a little bit. And I'm gonna lay that down with my Morphe M507 and then just go back in with that other Morphe brush and blend it out. There's a lot of kickback with this shadow. It's blending really beautifully. I'm into this orange, man. We're gonna go kind of editorial with this look, I think. I was like gonna keep this orange contained. Ain't happening. Woo! All right, I'm gonna grab Revenge, the shade right here, and I'm gonna use my M507 again, just deepen up the crease. All right, so I'm gonna kind of like keep that on the outer part. There's so many pretty colors, I don't really know what to do. I wanna like create that contrast because I love like the combination of blue and orange. It's one of my favorite color combos of all time, my favorite complementary colors. I haven't gotten any fallout so far, so that's good. And the colors are building up really beautifully, but they blend. There's not too much pigment, there's just enough. If you feel like you're having a hard time blending, lay a color down where you want it, like the general area that you want it first with a smaller brush, and then go back in with your blending brush to blend it out. So I'm gonna grab Played Out. I'm gonna grab Played Out and I'm gonna deepen that up further. Yeah, dark brown. Ooh, all right. All right, I'm gonna stop saying all right. So I'm gonna pack it there, kind of blend it out. I don't know how much I love that. I was kind of enjoying like the oranges without the dark brown. Might go over that again. Blah, blah, blah. So much of what I'm saying is gonna get cut out because I just talk and talk and talk. If I uploaded a video unedited, it would be like 2 hours long. Like literally of just me doing my eyeshadow, not even the rest of my face. So I'm just like blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna go back in with Revenge on that blending brush. I'm gonna pat over that because I want it to be more red, or just like warmer, you know, not necessarily red. It's not really red. It's more of like a burnt orange. Burnt orange! Some nice depth going. How are you guys doing? How's your week? How was your week? And is anybody doing anything fun for Cinco de Mayo? I never do anything fun. Like I don't do fun things. So I'm just wondering like what fun people do. Okay, so Sassy is calling to me, but so is Titus, you know? It's also a tribute, so how can you avoid it? And then Stallion is just bomb. Oh, fuck, 14 is good. I'm trying to avoid all of the like neutrals. Yeah, I wanna use the blues. I think I'm gonna go over the lid with Titus and then see what happens. And I'm gonna use my Sigma E54. Don't know what I would do that with this brush. I really don't. I'm really tapping off my brush because I do not want fallout. I'm like actually nervous about it. I'm gonna spritz it with a little bit of MAC Fix Plus just to, like a tiny mist, just to help it hold onto that brush so it doesn't like fall down on my, ooh. Oh, I love it. It's like a gray. I went in with like a really tiny amount and I'm just kind of like patting it, blending really well. If you're afraid of getting fallout, this is a really good option. I definitely gotta blue this shit up though. Tiny bit of fallout, tiny bit of fallout. Yeah, I have major crepiness happening underneath my eyes and I am, I'm not that happy about it. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna grab Sassy and I'm gonna go over top of it with that, just because I want a little more oh, do I want to do that? I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Ooh, damn, okay, that's beautiful. Just adds like a little bit of color, makes it a little bit more green. I'm kind of just like blending the two, you know? That's a little something. All right, I'm gonna grab Stallion because I can't stay away from it, and I'm gonna deepen up the outer part of the lid. Stallion. Because it's just like such a gorgeous blue. And I think that's what she was wearing in the press material, somewhere around here. I honestly just wanted to use Stallion like all over my eyes, but I thought that would be boring. So I thought I'd use a couple more shadows. Kind of want to create like a winged shape. So I'm just kind of placing the product down the general area that I want it to create that like kind of effect. Okay, I'm risking major fallout here. So I'm going to place just a little bit of the Hourglass powder that I'm gonna continue to use even though I don't know if I like it. On the areas where I keep getting fallout, just kind of like erase any darkness and then hopefully catch anything else that might fall down. And then hopefully if it becomes crepey, we can like fix it with a little Fix Plus. So I'm gonna grab my M507 with no additional product. I'm just gonna blend around those edges into the orange. The really light hand, because I don't wanna like lose that shape, but you know, I don't want it to look so weird. And then I'm just gonna grab my, what is this? M433 brush, blend around those edges. If you think you've been blending for like a really long time, just keep doing it. If you're like, I've been blending for too long, you're probably not doing it long enough. All right, and then I'm gonna grab a larger, clean, fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna kind of like blend around those edges. Just, you know, I like to do this when I feel like my blending isn't perfect. When you kind of feel like you gotta erase or revert back a little bit. It's kind of cool. It's kind of like grunge glam. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's throw it down on the lower lash line. It's this whole situation. Like the mirror situation, for me to be able to see what I'm doing is not ideal. I'll be honest with you. Did that like clean stuff up a little bit? I don't know. I don't know, you guys. I just don't know. So what do I want to do in the lower lash line though? Like, should I just make it blue? Should I smoke that shit out? So I'm gonna make the lower lash line a little bit more blue. So I'm gonna make the lower lash line a little more blue. I'm gonna grab 14 right here and I'm gonna kind of like do my smoky situation and go from there. You don't know until you try, you know what I mean? That's pigmented. This is kind of like more of a satin. Oh my god, it's really pigmented, fuck. Oh, we're gonna get a little raccoony real fast, but I'm not mad at it. Just like didn't want to do the same damn thing, you know? Came down a little too far. Listen, you don't have to smoke out your lower lash line as much as I do. I love a smoky lower lash line. Just use a smaller brush, keep it tighter, you know? All right, I'm gonna grab Stallion on that same brush and work it on the outer part. Just add like a little dimension. I'm keeping this closer to my lower lash line. All right, I'm feeling that, but I mean, you can see how like harsh that line is. So I'm gonna grab a clean brush and take a little bit of translucent powder and try to clean that up a little bit. Maybe I should just use my sponge. I'm just gonna kind of like bring that up. So I'm gonna go over that product and then let it sit for a minute and then like buff it out. So we're gonna look really weird for a second. But hopefully this works. I've honestly never done this before. Wish I got my waterline. I need something blue. I'm gonna dust this away because it's been like a minute. Okay, I'm gonna be real with you. Didn't do exactly what I wanted it to, but it's a little bit better. That's not too bad, right? Keep rolling with it. All right, for liner, I'm gonna go into my waterline with, this is Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. This is in the shade LSD. It's pretty fucking bomb. Perfect color. And then kind of like, oh, drag it onto my lash line. This is cool. I'm gonna finish off the powders now before we do the rest of the eyes and then move on to the lips. So take a break from this for a second. God, it smells so good. Okay, for blush, I'm gonna use the Benefit Gold Rush blush. I'm just gonna pop it on the apples. This blush is so gorgeous, but it hasn't replaced my L'Oreal True Match Precious Peach. Oh, it's fucking long. It's like the same vibe, but it's a little bit more pigmented. So it's easy to go overboard, or it's easy for me to go overboard. I like a brush that, I like a blush that's like more subtle. All right, and then for highlight, I wanna use, cause I've got this like orange situation happening, I wanna use the BECCA Dreamsicle highlight because it has this like orange, and then I'm my natural skin tone right now, so I kind of want to use it as a blush topper. So we're gonna do that. Oh, and you might be asking why I'm not using the highlights that Shayla, that are from the collection, and it's because they're way too dark for me right now. I can't get away with these at all. So I will be giving you guys swatches, but it's not gonna work for me. I'm just gonna dust this on my cheeks, but it looks so pretty over this blush. So I'm just gonna keep it like where I applied my blush, kind of just like on the apples, and then start dusting it like over the rest of my cheeks. And then what the hell, let's throw down some on our temples. Just add a little peachy warmth to the rest of the face, avoiding those horrible breakouts that I have. Okay, and then to highlight the rest of my face, I'm going to use my all-time favorite, Universal. This is, oh, I almost just put this on my face. That's not what I want right now. All right, I'm gonna use my ANASTASIA AMREZY highlight because I can wear this when I'm fair as well as tan. Woo! All of those colors just like complement each other so beautifully. Do I want to put this on my brow bone? Probably. Are you guys feeling the fuller brows? Because I feel like I am, but I can't tell if it just makes me look like way more manly, to be honest. Does it? Because I've already got this like short hair, I don't wear jewelry, I don't wear pink, I don't talk like, oh my god! So I don't know how much more, you know, I can get away with. All right, let's go back to eyes. Stupid. I was gonna put on mascara. I'm gonna set my face with the all-nighter setting spray. Urban Decay. Where did the cap go? How am I always losing my shit? Literally and figuratively. God, that smells good. Oh, I miss this stuff so much. I got a couple little specks of the dark shadow on my face. But we're gonna power through it. I'm gonna go in with my BADGAL bang. All right, while I'm waiting for my lash glue to dry or get tacky, I'm gonna line my lips with my Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude Lip Pencil. I almost forgot what it's called. It's like my favorite one. All right, and for lipstick, I'm gonna use Quickie. This is like the sickest nude. Like I love it so much. I really hope that it looks good with this. It's like a little warmer than I thought it was going to be, but we're gonna go for it. This is definitely a comfortable matte. Very comfortable. I've never used Colourpop's like regular lipsticks. I've only ever worn their liquid lipsticks. That's pretty. All right guys, so that is the face done. Now to finish off the rest of the look, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Velada's, let's go from one collection to the next. I'm gonna use the Petal Metal Shimmer Spray just to like amp up the sheen. And then I might go in with a little bit more highlight, but I don't know. I do know. I am going to. It smells so good. So I just think that they did such a beautiful job with the aesthetic of it. I have nothing in my inner corner. Oh my god. I'm so embarrassed. I'm gonna grab Unbothered really quick and pop it in my inner corner. I haven't been on my A game lately. That's so embarrassing. Okay, anyway, so what I was gonna say is that I absolutely love the aesthetic of it. I love the colors that she chose. I love that she has like the nice warm shadows that you can use in your crease. And then she has like a nice range here of lid colors. So that's really all you can ask. Like there's a lot of possibilities. You can go for a warm crease with a cool toned lid like I did. You can go in with like, I mean, honestly, Stallion all over the lid, just buffed out completely because it's got a little bit of shimmer in it, but not really. It's kind of like a more of a matte shadow with a little bit of pearl in it. You can really get away with like blending it. It's not gonna look super shimmery, but it's going to look like midnight on your eyes. It's so gorgeous. I love everything about it. I love the press, I love the packaging, I love the colors that they chose. I think they did a great job with it, and I'm excited to play with more of them. I'm going to swatch a few of the shades that I didn't use just so you guys can see. It's kind of like, what am I doing? You guys, I'm getting lash glue all over everything. Life is so hard. I'm sorry, Shayla. I'm a mess. I'm gonna grab TF, Diva, Strut and Slay. Those are gorgeous. Like, look at that. Look at those. The foil is so amazing. And then let's see, what else can I swatch for you that I didn't use? All right, and here is September, IE, and Spill the Tea. So you guys can see how much payoff there is. I mean, it's crazy. Spill the Tea? Like, are you kidding me? That shade right there? Stop. So yeah, I'm definitely a fan of the eyeshadow palette. I definitely recommend it. I think everything about it is worth the cash, honestly. Yeah, the payoff is crazy. Shadows are gorgeous. Everything about it, I think they nailed it. Love it. Oh, and the names are on the back too. That's good. All right, so obviously on my lips, I am wearing Quickie. The lipstick is a nice, like, comfortable matte. It's very lightweight feeling on the lips. I've never, like I said, I never used one of Colourpop's like regular lipsticks before, but this is really stunning. Absolutely love it. I'm a huge fan of this already. The other shades are Ooh, Ooh, OOUUUU, which is more of a peachy shade. Again, a matte color. So beautiful. Really pretty. I'm like nervous about getting away with that. I feel like my teeth have to be really white, you know, because otherwise they can kind of look yellow, but oh, so gorgeous. So that's Ooh. And then this is Come On Sis. And this is like kind of a mauvey shade. That's really pretty. You can just see that on Shayla. Like I could just picture it on her lips. Really beautiful. I would love to see these two like ombre together. I think that would be like a really beautiful color for spring. For spring. Now I thought about using this, but I just thought like it would be too much with the eyes. This is the Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Neat Freak. So it's just like a really beautiful shimmery gloss. And it's got kind of like duochrome pink and then slightly more like green gold pearl in there. So let's see, I haven't even like done this yet. I'm gonna zoom you in for this one. That was a terrible swatch. I'm not a huge fan of the applicator. It's kind of hard to get like product on there, but I don't know how well you guys can see that. It's really pretty though. Kind of reminds me of, ooh, which gloss? Kind of reminds me of the KKW Beauty glosses, honestly. Yeah, but can you see that pearl? It's really pretty. All right, so those are the lips. Really beautiful. I love the matte. Love the matte. I love a matte lip. Personally, it's my favorite. I'm not like big on glossy lips. I don't know how I feel about the lip gloss. I feel like I'm gonna have to try it, but I'm not like in love with that applicator, so I don't know. We'll see. Of course, she has the two loose highlighters that are, I mean, they're stunning, and I'm upset that I wish I'd tanned last night so that I could have used this one. Honestly, I think even with a tan, it would be a little too dark for me. So these are going to be better for like medium to deep skin, I think. So we have Boomin', which is the gold shade, and then we have Pose, which is kind of more of a, it's kind of like a bronzy rose gold, honestly. But yeah, I haven't even opened these yet, so I'm gonna swatch them for you. But I think that these would make sick pigments, like eye pigments. All right, so this is Boomin'. That's pretty crazy. Oh, I wish she came out with one more that was a little lighter, just one more. And then here's Pose. So pretty. Two gorgeous shades for medium to deep skin, for sure. And you can mix them. All right, guys, so that's the collection. Overall, I think it's pretty bomb. She definitely made it her. I love all of the lipstick shades. They definitely scream Shayla to me. The eyeshadow palette is like edgy, but also glam. I mean, I created this glam trash makeup look with it, so. The only thing that I'm a little bit so about is the lip gloss. That's the only thing. And then obviously like the highlighters are too dark for me to use as highlighters, but I think they're gonna make bomb pigments for my eyes. So I'm not mad about it. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. I'm sorry, so rude. I got a text message. Oh my God, this is so long. Honestly, all I can think about right now is burgers. There's an In-N-Out right down the road, but it's on Sunset, and it's always so busy. I can never go there. Life is hard. Like, what's the point of living near an In-N-Out if you can't go? Oh, I'm sitting on my foot and it really hurts. Yeah. I'm having a rough time. I also feel like my hair is getting lost in this black background right now. Okay, finish talking about things.